My deepest condolences go out to the victims of the Kiteezi garbage mound that lost their families, their loved ones. I cannot imagine what these people are going through. On the 10th of August 2024, it was a Saturday, the Kiteezi landfill collapse led to a lot of destruction of property, a lot of destruction of livestock, and a lot of loss of lives. So far, 34 people have been reported dead, and 28 still remain missing. My humble prayer is that government puts this top priority on their agenda as they are required under the 1995 Constitution of Uganda. Objective 14B provides that it is the responsibility and the duty of the government to make sure that each Ugandan enjoys a right to decent shelter. So I pray that the victims of Kiteezi are immediately relocated and compensated. Furthermore, every Ugandan is entitled to a right to life, a right to a clean and healthy environment, and a right to own property. Considering the recent tragedy, these rights were violated, hence leading to mental and physical related problems to these victims. Kiteezi landfill is Uganda's only sanitary landfill. Just 13 kilometers out of Kampala city center, it has long been serving as a disposal site, receiving up to 2,500 tons of rubbish daily. This tragedy that occurred was clearly a failure in urban planning and governance. The Deputy Executive Director of Kampala's Capital City Authority, Engineer David Luyimbazi, himself admitted that the authority was much aware of the operating capacity at Kiteezi, that it was already operating beyond its capacity. When you look at a research article called The Status of Waste Management in East African Cities, written by Shamim Ayampa and others, it reports that Kiteezi landfill was already operating beyond its design capacity, and it was not optimizing the current operations to facilitate materials and resourceful resources. Neither was it optimizing methods like adequate leachate treatment, pollution control, utilizing the space through methods like soil cover and soil compaction to solve the problem at hand. When you look at the history of the landfill at Kiteezi, you get to see that KCCA tried to relocate this landfill in 2015 by buying land at Dundu in Mukono district. However, this relocation did not happen due to budget constraints. My suggestions as I end this video to the situation at Kiteezi landfill is KCCA should expedite the implementation of Kampala waste management and disposal public-private partnership projects. It should also do comprehensive studies and provide immediate financial allocation in order to relocate this landfill to the land in Dundu Mukono district that was already purchased to avoid further tragedies at Kiteezi landfill. The other suggestion would be a comprehensive report must be obtained from the IGG as to the circumstances that led to the spills at the landfill in order to avoid these mistakes again, because when you know the problem, you cannot have the same problem again once you know what transpired. If you have any further suggestions to this situation, you can kindly leave them in the comment section. And most importantly, if you have any help that you can offer, you can kindly inbox me or you can directly call me. My number is on top of the profile. When you look at the top of the profile, you can see the number. As always, I'm your host, Joan.A. Until next time, have a lovely rest of your time.